Right, so this trap is the one what gave me the idea for the trap previous, and this is a figure 4 made out of wood, metal and wire, and you can kind of see where I've got the idea from. This is the first one I made, and I thought if I make this longer, attach a spring, have this bit slightly further over, if that makes sense, and it will come down in an arc, catch the animal. So this is what I got the idea from, and it's pretty much exactly the same, just without the longer piece of wood and a spring on it. So it's just a figure 4, and when you touch this piece of wire, it will release it from this nail and this will flip up. It's pretty simple really. Now there, this piece of wood, sorry, this piece of wire is just bent like this. Slots in, and then goes like that. It's very simple, could be made by anyone I reckon. And you could, this bit doesn't have to be metal, this bit could just be another piece of wood. Right, anyway, thanks for watching, I'll see you later.